Hi guys, it's Alan from Currys here, and today I'm going to show you 3 things that we love about the Braun Series 9 Pro Shaver. It makes it easy to get every hair, you can charge it on the go with the PowerCase, and it's easy to look after with the 5-in-1 SmartCare sensor. Now, I'm going to jump over to the lab, we're going to look at the shaver in a bit more detail. You don't need to worry about nicking your skin or being left with any unwanted bristly hairs. The head of the shaver will tilt up to 40 degrees. What that means is it follows the contours of your face, which helps deal with the trickier areas such as the jawline. You can see how it moves with the curve, but you can lock it into position with the position switch. This is really useful if you need a little bit more control for certain areas. And you don't have to be at home to keep it charged, because it comes with this portable charger case. It'll actually keep you covered for up to 6 weeks, which is fantastic because it means you can still go on your trips and still carry on shaving. When you're at home, you'll want to store it in the SmartCare Center. It does loads of different things. It has a 5-in-1 functionality which includes cleaning, charging, lubricating and drying. It really is a hassle-free way to look after your shaver. If you would like more information about this Braun Series 9 Pro shaver, you can jump into store, head online, or speak with one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.